Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be filming how I do my brows in less than 5 minutes, and as you can see they look very natural, and yeah, it took me less than 5 minutes. So if you're interested on watching this quick video, please keep on watching. I know it looks weird that I'm this close, but I'm gonna show you guys how I've been doing my brows lately and what I'm using to filling them and then to clean them out. So I've been using lately this Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Retractable Brow Pencil in the shade Ash Brown. It's this one, and it looks like the ABH one. I haven't tried the ABH one, but I've seen it, and it looks like this. See, it's like the triangle form. So I've been using this to do my brows. I just try to follow my brush shape. So first I take my pencil and I start drawing from the beginning of my brow. I start drawing, the line of my own shape like this. And then I do the same thing to the upper part. And then I do the arch. And I start filling them in like this. And then I brush them upwards. And then I keep filling in the other part. And I keep doing this. See, I usually leave them like this on the other part. And then I start drawing hair like this. So it looks more natural, as you can see. And then I brush them. And that's usually it. But I'm gonna try to do a little bit more of hair. Like that. As you can see. To clean my brows, I've been using foundation instead of concealer because I feel like the concealer is way too light for the brow to look more natural, if you can say. So I just use whichever foundation I have, closer to me. I've been using my L'Oreal True Match to clean my brows. You can use whichever foundation you want. I just take little by little, so I'm not working with a lot of product. And again, I'm gonna do the same thing as I did with my brows. I'm gonna draw a line. You're gonna see now. See, it is easier with this because since it's bigger, I can just blend out downwards and it's quicker. You see? They are clean, and then it looks just like my skin. It doesn't look weird at all. You can keep blending. Like that. And then I try to like clean over here, but just a little because I don't want it to be too harsh. Just want them to be, a little clean, and then I do the same thing with the upper part of my brow. So this is how I've been doing my brows. I just, whenever I'm done, I try to brush a little bit so it doesn't look, you know, too weird. But I've been liking the shape and how it looks natural, even though that they're filled in. But it doesn't look as fake as if you were using a pomade like I used to do them before. I like, you know, if you can see, you can see more of my hair. I just draw the line and fill them in. It's nothing crazy and it's easy. I can do this in like 3 to 5 minutes. So I think that it's quicker and easier, and that's what I've been liking. So what do you guys think of this brow? So yes guys, as you can see, I already did the other eyebrow. I followed the same steps that I did on this one right here. It was very quick, and as you can see, they look very natural, and I really love them. You can just do this easy step in the morning, these 2 easy steps in the morning, and you'll be good to go. It looks very, very natural, and you just, you know, give a little of shape to your brows. Also, the pencil that I use, it's less than $5 if I'm not mistaken, so it's really, really good product for this look that I did on my brows. I hope you guys enjoy watching this real quick video of my tutorial doing my brows. If you guys enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and let me know down below any type of videos that you guys want me to film for you guys. But yeah, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.